everybody! Welcome to PuddingMilk! I thought it would be fun to make like a kind of behind the scenes on how I make my stickers for my sticker club over on my Patreon account. I always like to start off with doing a few sketches in my sketchbook. For February, I decided to make like a love potion magic kind of theme going on because it was Valentine's Day and I love Valentine's Day. My idea kind of went to doing like those arcana circles and make a potion bunny. At the moment, I make all my stickers by hand as opposed to using a manufacturer, since my sticker club is quite small, but I would like to upgrade in 2021, if I have the means to. And here they are all printed out! I print at home with my Canon printer and I apply an adhesive laminate to protect it against water damage. This time I opted for holographic laminate. Applying the laminate is very easy, but if you rush it, you could end up misaligning some of the edges, so I try to be a little bit more patient and careful when I do it. It's a little bit hard to see the holographic effect on the video, but in real life it looks super cute. I assure you it's there. I wouldn't lie about holographic stuff. I love iridescent shimmers. I cut out each sticker by hand too. I would love to save up for a Cricut or some kind of device that can do like a kiss cut or a die cut for stickers so that I can make them a bit easier in the future. The final step is to pack up every reward with a handwritten note of thanks. I always like to include a handwritten like thank you note for like shop orders or for stuff like rewards just to show my appreciation. Also, sorry for the shakiness. My phone was on like a bendy arm attached to my desk and with all my movement it wiggled. It was a wiggling boy. After all that's done, all that's left to do is to mail them out. I send the rewards out and release my other non-mail rewards on the 6th of every month. So I do my best to be diligent so everyone knows that they get their rewards the same time every month. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, I have some other videos on the channel, or like I've got social media where like I tweet and post art and stuff. You can check that out if you want. You can chat with me in the comments or whatever. Most of all, I just want you to have a good day, and thanks!